Have you ever asked yourself, or do you always ask yourself this question? How do I save on a low budget? How do I save on a low income, rather? Have you been asking yourself this question, that this income that I'm making, which is low, how do I save on it? Saving is important because it helps to bring improvement to your financial life. Saving is important because money means save me today and I'll save you tomorrow. So therefore, you can't just eat everything you make. You have to keep some portion of it for your tomorrow, because everybody have a tomorrow. Therefore, on this piece, we are talking about how to save money on a low income. Most people think that saving money is only for the rich. They believe that without a fat paycheck, there is no way to build wealth. But here is the truth. It's a mindset thing. Wealth isn't built when you have money. It's built when you learn how to manage the little you have gradually till it becomes something big. That is what is referred to as the building. If you are living paycheck to paycheck, I'm here to tell you something that may change your life. You can save money even on a low income. But it requires a shift in mindset, discipline, and a willingness to make small, consistent changes that lead to big results over time. Yes, definitely it is over time, because Rome was not built in a day, so therefore it's a gradual process. First of all, we'll be talking about a mindset shift. A mindset shift is important because there needs to be a change in the way you see savings. There needs to be a change in the way you reason about money. So before we talk about numbers, we must talk about the mind. Because if you believe that saving money is impossible for you, you will never try. The first step is to change your identity from a spender to a saver, so that your financial life can improve. Even if you are saving just $1 a day, you are telling your brain that I am a person who keeps money. And here is the magic. Guess what? Money has a way of attracting more money when it is respected. Next, we are talking about paying yourself. Pay yourself first, no matter what. Most people spend first and save later. The problem is that later never comes. On a low income, the key is this. The moment the money comes in, set aside a small percentage before you touch the rest. Even if it's just 5% of your earnings, put it in a separate savings account. Treat it like rent. You wouldn't skip rent, so don't skip paying yourself. Don't skip saving. This is not about the amount, it's about the habit to improve your financial life. Next, we are talking about cutting the silent killers of your money. Small leaks think big ships. It's the little expenses, the daily snack, the unnecessary subscriptions, the impulse buys that destroys your financial boats, but you are yet to realize it. Track your spending for just 1 week. You'll be shocked by where your money goes. Do you need that $5 coffee every morning? Do you really watch all 4 of those streaming subscriptions? Cut what doesn't serve you and redirect the money into savings. Master the art of cooking at home. Food is the biggest expenses for low income earners, and eating out is a silent thief of your paycheck. Eating at home doesn't just save money, it saves your health. Plan your meals, buy in bulk, and learn a few cheap but delicious recipes. A $10 home cooked meal can feed you for 3 days. That's wealth building disguised as a dinner. Next, avoid lifestyle creep. The moment you get a raise or an extra income, the temptation is to upgrade your lifestyle. Buy bigger phone, better clothes, more eating out. This is called lifestyle creep. It's the reason many people stay broke no matter how much they earn. Here is the secret. When your income increases, keep your expenses the same and save the difference. That difference could make a whole lot of difference in your financial life. Next, use the 24-hour rule. Impulse buying is the enemy of savings. Before you buy anything that's not essential, wait 24 hours. If after a day you still feel you need it, it fits your budget, then buy it. But you'll be surprised how many urgent wants disappear overnight. Next, turn savings into a game. Saving money can feel boring, so make it fun. Set weekly challenges for yourself. No spend weekends. Save all my loose change for a month. Compete with a friend or a family member to see who can save more. Gamify the process, make it fun, and you'll stick to it longer. Next, increase your income, even slightly. Here is the uncomfortable truth. Sometimes the problem isn't just expenses, it's income. Look for a side hustle you can do in your free time. Sell unused items. Offer a skill or service. Even an extra $50 a month saved consistently can grow into something powerful over years. Saving money on a low budget isn't easy, but it's possible. Every dollar you save is a brick in the foundation of your future. The wealthy you see today, most of them didn't start rich. They started with small, disciplined steps, and so you can. Remember that wealth is not about how much you earn, it's about how much you keep. So start today, save small, and one day you will look back and realize that the little savings habits made you rich, and you'll be glad that you did. If this inspired you, subscribe to this channel for more life-changing truths. Like this video, drop a comment on your favorite tip, and share it with someone who needs this message today. I put a whole lot of work to create this video, so therefore your engagement will mean a lot to me. Thank you very much.